Brainly sight present. How to tie a tie using the 4-in-hand knot. Today, we're going to show you how to tie a classic 4-in-hand knot for your necktie. It's a simple and versatile knot that's perfect for everyday wear. Let's get started. Step 1. Buttoning the shirt. First things first, make sure you've got your shirt on and buttoned up to the top. Fold your collar up for a clean look. Step 2. Positioning the tie. Now, grab your tie and drape it around your neck. Ensure that the wide end is hanging down on your right side and about 4 inches longer than the narrow end on your left side. Step 3. Crossing the tie. Cross the wide end of the tie over the narrow end, creating an X shape just below your chin. Step 4. Going behind. Take the wide end of the tie and bring it behind the narrow end, from right to left. Step 5. Looping over. Now, loop the wide end over the front of the knot, forming a loop around the narrow end. Step 6. Initial tightening. Hold the knot with your left hand to keep it in place, and use your right hand to pull the wide end down gently, tightening the knot slightly. Step 7. Going around. Next, bring the wide end of the tie around the back of the knot, from left to right. Step 8. Looping over again. Loop the wide end over the front of the knot once more, creating a second loop. Step 9. Final tightening. Hold the knot with your left hand again and gently pull the wide end down through the loop in front of the knot. This tightens everything up. Step 10. Adjusting. Finally, adjust the tie by holding the narrow end with one hand and sliding the knot up with the other hand until it rests comfortably at your neck. And there you have it, the classic 4-in-hand knot. It's a timeless knot that works well for most occasions. If you want to explore more tie knots, be sure to check out our video on 50 different tie knots with instructions. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy tying!